Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to edit a sent email in Outlook in 2026. Now, Outlook doesn't let you change the original message after it is delivered, but there are some of the ways to correct any mistakes, to resend the updated versions, or to recall the messages. So, if you are interested in these workarounds, you can just simply watch this tutorial. Now, first of all, you need to open your Outlook application in your computer or on web. Over here, when you log in into your Outlook account, simply just hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of sent items. Over here, you are going to see all of the emails that you have sent to the people. So if you have a lot of emails, you just have to find that particular email which you want to fix. So here, as you can see, this is the email which I want to fix. So you just have to double click on it in order to open it. Now, as I've told you earlier, Outlook can't directly edit a sent message. The first option that you see here is the recall option. So when you see the recall message option, you just have to click on the message and select the option of actions. Then you can recall this message. So if your organization supports message recall, Outlook will attempt to delete the original email from the recipient's inbox and replace it with a corrected version. If recall isn't available or email has already been read, you can use the second method, in which you can just simply resend this message. So here you are going to see the option of resend this message. After that, simply select the message and choose the option of resend or recall. Then you can select resend this message. So a new editable copy of your original email will be opened. You can update the subject, you can fix the content and adjust any kind of attachments. After fixing these, simply hit the send button and Outlook is going to send the corrected version as a fresh message. If you only want to keep the corrected copy for yourself, you can just simply click on the option of edit message here on the top. After that, you just have to simply add the notes or fix any kind of typos, and then you can just send it again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.